To filter Best Places neighborhood rankings. Start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Neighborhood Rankings section. Here you will find a comprehensive list of neighborhoods across the United States, each with its own unique characteristics and rankings. First, identify the criteria that are most important to you, such as commute time, schools, crime rate, or housing costs. Best Places allows you to filter neighborhoods based on these and other criteria, so it is essential to prioritize your needs. Next, use the filtering tools provided by Best Places to narrow down your search. You can filter by state, city, or zip code, as well as by specific characteristics such as population size or median home price. For example, if you are looking for a neighborhood with good schools, you can filter by the quality of local schools. In addition to filtering, you can also use the sorting function to rank neighborhoods based on specific criteria. For instance, you can sort neighborhoods by their overall ranking, crime rate, or cost of living. This allows you to quickly identify the top-ranked neighborhoods that meet your needs. Another key feature of Best Places is the ability to compare neighborhoods side by side. By selecting multiple neighborhoods, you can compare their rankings and characteristics, making it easier to make an informed decision. When evaluating neighborhood rankings, it is essential to consider multiple sources and perspectives. Best Places provides a comprehensive overview of each neighborhood, including user reviews and ratings. Take the time to read these reviews and look for patterns or common themes that can give you a more nuanced understanding of the neighborhood. Finally, remember that neighborhood rankings are just one factor to consider when choosing a place to live. It is crucial to visit the neighborhood in person, talk to locals, and get a feel for the community before making a decision. By combining the insights from Best Places with your own research and due diligence, you can make an informed decision and find the best neighborhood for your needs.